This Buick Envision boasts a gas i4 2.5 liters/TBD engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with driver shift control, STD, summit white, moonroof, power, panoramic, tilt sliding. This Buick Envision comes equipped with these options: light neutral, perforated leather appointed seat trim with ebony interior accents. Essence preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, engine, 2.5 liters OHC 4-cylinder CD with variable valve timing, VVT 197 horsepower, 147 kilowatts, at 6,300 revolutions per minute, 192 pounds-to-foot of torque, 260 Nm, at 4,400 revolutions per minute. STD, audio system, Buick infotainment system, AM/FM stereo, Sirius XM with 8 diagonal color touchscreen, includes 2 USB ports, Bluetooth streaming for audio and select phones and phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, STD, wiper, rear intermittent, windows, power, rear with express down, windows, power with front passenger express down, windows, power with driver express up and down, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, 10-spoke polished aluminum, wheel, spare. Stop by today. Live a little. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 to make this car yours today.